But just thinking about it falling that way. You pull it back to your butt, you just come on the floor. That's a sight from here, eh? Yeah. Just there. Maybe you don't need to go that way. Not go that far, we'll go back. Down in the saddle. Like that. Hang on. Get legs. Easy side. I don't know if you climbed up. Push your foot. Yeah, with that front, just check my slide. That's good. Come on in. Come on in. Come on.
Right, well, one is good at the side.
Still down the back. So you go under there and push it back there. Yeah. I'm thinking. You're better than that, pull it that way. I just saw it. When I know it.
The road just get to the side there.
No phone, you know.
Nah. What was it? Lines.
So push it all that way, right? No.
In the middle of the road.
Don't cut at the bottom there.
Right, I'd feel a bit of space.
You need solid there, eh?
Nah. You need that. At least I'll keep the base here. It's secure when we'll try and lift it.
You're going to lift that, sir?
No, I'm not going to lift it. Just
Ready, stop there.
I've got to try
On
it.
this side, back to you. Right, go. Where you go? Go, shit.
You know that actually done.
Back here.
Well, no, it's good, it's ideal for sons, see it like that. See much of it. Go back to the nature.
Got that wee bit of water hangs there.
Just get in line, just take it from the
That was nice.
Put it away.
Have you got it? Thing. That's it, actually, that's it. I didn't put position to show him. It's still soft. It's still soft. Yeah. I think we've played it. He reckons I'll go through it. So I'm going. I've got to have a cup of tea. I've got to have a cup of tea, will anybody want one? Anyway, yeah.
The rain's coming in, yeah? Wouldn't see the one. Oh, yeah.
Think
bother.
Yeah, pull that back to there, because it'll still sit up anyway in the hooks there, eh? And force that. Ah, yeah. Is that for that?
That's actually pretty dry, well, stuff at the top will just fun there, well.
That's not going to be a thing on that, see that? Get a hand for that.
Look at that, something again. It's something that works.
Keep getting into that, eh? Just doing that. No jump cut, I should get that in front of you.
Should have got engaged, didn't we?
Try that. Try that. I'll put the kettle on for a cuppa. Well, you've been in there swigging at something, have you know? You smell drunk of Sunday. Come on, have a drink today. You've been in there and had a swig at something in your wardrobe.
Sorry.
Well, that shouldn't be firing. At least that.
Come on for the rest of the year.
That should be clear, but...
Yeah, virtual, I think, no?
Yeah, let's try pump this again.
Getting late there.
Yeah, cutting chunks of that out, just firing that right away. And get some chunks of that stuff.
That'll burn now. Good ball if you want to rehack it, something.
Just hold a bit of bimbo. Pull it bits of that, you just cut.
He's got switch.
Chop it with that, no. Just chop that and get rid of that, eh? Just cut in there, Here's some bumps.